Hello everybody and welcome back to Coffee Talk. Last time Gala was rampaging because it is full moon and he gone to the shop and drink the galahan. Then Freya was so surprised that he knows that it's Gala. And then right now we are in 12th day, Saturday, October 12, 2020. So without further ado, let's start. First, Weird Stein Company criticized for unfair depictions of werewolf in their latest box office hit, Coachella 2020 Do's and Don'ts. Atlantic ambassador in talks with Fire regarding immigration. Welcome. Hey, Akiyama. Good evening, Freya. You look very cheerful today. It's all thanks to you. What did I do? I finally got a good night's sleep last night. Like, I slept like a log. Proper 12 hours of closing my eyes and not thinking about anything. Good for you. We really needed that. I know. But I had the deadline coming. I've been pushing myself to finish this draft. A bit too much, I guess. How it's it going? You won't believe this. I probably will. But when I woke up this afternoon, the words just flowed through me like a water, and not for scrap like I've been writing recently. And that's why taking a break is important. Yeah. You don't need to start lecturing me now. So what's your plan now? Now, as in writing at this moment, I'm planning to go to the bathroom and wash my face. And after that, I'll continue writing. Sounds like a solid plan. You know where the restroom is? Okay, I need something to drink now. Freya, you're unemployed. Don't waste your money on coffee shop drinks. That is so weird. Coming from the coffee shop owner, I know. You've been a regular for years. If you only need the vibes of the place, just right here. No, I can't do that. You don't have any customers tonight. What would I do if this place went bankrupt? It won't happen. How can you be so sure? Just take this tap water and go do your work, okay? But see, there's a customer coming right now, so don't you worry about me. Oh, hi Gala. What's wrong? I know you're a man of few words, but this is maybe pushing a bit. Yeah. Okay, I'm truly very sorry for what happened yesterday. Gala. Hey, it's alright. No one got hurt, right? And the coffee shop's fine. Don't worry about it too much. Don't think about it too much, Gala. Like Freya said, no casualties and no problems with the coffee shop. I still need to redeem myself for the mess I made and the scare I gave you. I'm sure there's something I can do. Why don't you buy something for the lady here? I'm sure she'll appreciate. Hey, what do you mean? Do you want anything to drink, Freya? No. It's alright, Gala. I insist. You don't have to. Just accept it. At least it'll help me stop feeling so guilty at least a little. Alright. I wouldn't mind a coffee, not an espresso, mind you. Something with a little less about it. You know how to make sugar and spice? The one with cinnamon? Yes. A cup of sugar and spice, please. Okay. Coffee, honey, cinnamon. There you go. I've written it before. Sugar and spice for the lady with the devices. Hey, oh well, I won't complain. Thank you, Gala. Don't mention it. Ayama, are you sure there's nothing I can do for you? You don't have to do anything, Gala. It's fine. To be honest, I'm curious. What happened yesterday? Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, you usually stay indoors during the full moon, don't you? I usually do. But there was an emergency at the hospital yesterday. What kind of emergency? The hospital was really packed yesterday after that announcement. The one saying that a replacement government issued Fury sedative will be available soon. Releasing that news on the day of the full moon was just stupid. So many restless werewolves came, asking about the sedative, which isn't ready yet. But the announcement said it wasn't ready. Is that it was coming soon. You think people read the whole article? They only saw the headline or glance at it at the news stall. Then they went straight to the hospital. I don't blame them though. Finding out that the only publicly available sedative is dangerous. It's difficult for some people. I ended up having to explain it to dozens of werewolves. I even had to put some rogue werewolves in the isolation rooms. Ugh, it was that bad, huh? Yeah, to the point that we ran out of rooms to put them in. That's why at the end of my shift, I left immediately. Normally, I've had to ask a friend to lock me in one of our installation rooms, of course. That I couldn't, so I rushed back to my apartment, but it was too late. Thankfully, I was in the area, and I managed to force myself to come to your place. Gala, excuse me for asking this. Yes, but you didn't hurt anyone on the way here, right? As far as I remember, no. And I didn't see any blood on my clothes. That's good to hear. This might sound overly confident, considering what happened yesterday. I have enough control to make sure I don't hurt anyone, as long as I have something to direct my fury towards. Usually, I end up destroying stuff around me, or worst case, hurting myself. Despite all of that, I'm still glad that no one got hurt. Always looking for the positive side, aren't you? Just doing my job. Thanks to both of you. I really mean it. But please, if there's anything I can do to if there's anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate to ask me right away. Will do. In the meantime, can I order a drink? Sure, what are you having? Same as yesterday. Healthy milk ginger. Galahad. Here's your special brew. Thank you. The drink that saved me. Once again, thank you for helping me find this drink. By the way, Gala, now that you can be 100% sure that that drink is your natural sedative, why don't you put some in a bottle and carry with you and everywhere? That's the plan. It has to be warm though. I can use a vacuum flask, I suppose. I'll give it a try next full moon. Don't worry, Freya. I'm going to stay at my place for the next full moon. I'm not taking any risk. Before I can make sure how effective that remedy is. Phew. Ooh, oh, someone is mad. What the? Rachel? What's going on? Huh? Not what else? Your father? Of course. The hell was he thinking? Coming backstage at Coachella just to get into an argument with my manager. Huh? Before we continue, Akiyama, a cafe latte please. Your coffee latte is ready. Thanks. How did he manage to get backstage? He told security he was my father, and he messaged me about coming beforehand. Said he was just going to wish me luck. So I told them to let him in, of course. He's still my father. Things were nice at first. Then my manager came and I don't know why he hates him so much. It's showbiz. I'm mature enough to know what's good or bad for me. What happened after that? Mr. Lester told the security guards to kick him out. Still alone in the festival area, I saw him in the crowds. Did the concert go well at least? Oh yeah. Other than the arguments backstage, everything was great. I was the first one to play on the main stage. Usually no one pays much attention to whoever's on first. But there were thousands of people in the audience during my session. Nice. So you don't need to be at the event anymore after this? Not really. I did my stage time. And then there was this press conference after my show. After show press conference. Yeah. The pre-show was done yesterday. The day was a small one. There were almost a dozen of journalists who wanted to interview me. So we decided to just do a mini conference. Good for you. You're totally back in the game, huh? I guess I am. Thanks to Mr. Lester. I would say it's because of you. But your managers probably works on of his influence too. So why are you here? Because of that, of course. I told him to come here this evening. We really need to set things straight. He needs to stop messing with my manager so much. And because this evening is the only time I can go to the party Mr. Lester is hosting. What party? He's hosting a party for the VIPs and artists he manages at a club in Belltown. Is it okay for you to go to the party without a guardian? I'm 18, remember I'm an adult. Yeah, but you can only enter some clubs if you're 21. Not this time, because Mr. Lester's my manager and it's his party. I'm not sure about that. It's true. No, I know you can do that by using his name. But I don't think he should do that with you. Why? Because I'm an adult. No, you're not, Rachel. Have you ever been to one of Have you ever been to one of Lester's parties? Well, no. You have? Not personally. I've heard stories. What stories? He knows how to party. That's good then. That's not necessarily a good thing. Knowing how to party might mean something else entirely. I don't know what you're talking about. You'll find out. Especially if you keep Lester on as your manager. Personally, I don't mind wild parties. But inviting an underage person to his party? That might be a bit too far. Huh? What the hell? Oh no, Dad. What? Rachel, is that Mr. Henry? Yes. Dad, what happened? Okay, can you get a cup of milk for him, please? Just milk. Just milk. Here. Thank you. Dad, please hold on. Can somebody help me call an ambulance, please? They're on the way. I've contacted the hospital. Thank you. I've also contacted our Nekomimi expert personally. She's off shift right now, but she's also on the way. Thank you so much. I don't know what might happen I don't know what might happen without your help. Don't mention it. Here they come. I'll go with you. Okay. Oh boy. That was really something, huh? Yeah. 2 days in a row. An emergency at your place. Well, at least some people think of your place as their go-to when they need help. You're right. It's not every day you look at things from the bright side. Ha. Well, I'm one of your coffee shop disciples, right? So, I kinda understand them. I hope Henry's alright. Me too. At least he's in good hands now. What's your plan up for the rest of the night? Well, that was all pretty hectic. But I need to continue writing. Take your time and please, Ned. Will do. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the end of the video, everybody. Thank you for watching and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-row-row and a row-row-row for the British Grenadiers.